Welcome in the kitchen. Been to Sam's, picked up groceries. A lot of groceries. Yeah. Hadn't been in about 8 weeks. So, we got a lot of stuff. I'm not going to show you all of it unless you really want to see it, and then next time I will, because I've already got it all put away. Y'all let me know if you want to see everything I buy at Sam's. I'll do a video of it if you all want to see it, but I don't want to bore you if that's not your thing. So, in my groceries, I got this ham. It's just a piece of a ham. It is fully cooked, you all. And it's got warming instructions. This is what it is right here, in case y'all want to know. This was $2.98 a pound. It was 5.34 pounds, not quite 5.5 pounds. 5 1/3. You're supposed to heat it in the oven at 275 degrees for 15 minutes per pound. But I'm going to put it in this slow cooker right here. This is what I'm going to do. Can y'all see my slow cooker? Bring y'all over here. So y'all can get down there. Y'all can see in here what I'm doing. Right there. Y'all can see good. All right. It's still got some plastic on it, okay? But it's got some juice on it that I want to save. So, I always put it in here first. And then I open it up. Plus, it makes less mess this way. Look, you can see where it was smoked. The grill marks on it. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, right like that. Let me wash off my hands. And that's all I do to it. So y'all can see there's a little bit of juice, I think. Let me turn some lights on. How's that? Can y'all see better? See, there's just a little bit of juice right there. Y'all can see that now. So there's a little bit of juice. And it'll get more as it cooks. But I'm going to let this sit here and cook this afternoon while I get my chicken ready to go in the freezer. And I'm going to can some carrots. And I'll bring y'all with me as we can our carrots here in just a few minutes. But I've got my mushrooms to put away. Y'all know how I do that. I just put them in that little plastic basket with holes in it. It has to have holes so they can breathe. If they can't breathe, they're going to get all wilty and mushy and rot really quickly. They've got to be able to breathe. Mushrooms have to breathe. They're little spores and they're little, like a little sponge, and it needs to breathe. It's air, so they really do need to breathe. So I'm going to dump those in my little basket, and I'm going to get these carrots peeled and diced, and I'll bring y'all back when we get ready to can them. Here's our ham that we cooked today. Look at it. That nice brown, rich brown broth in there. Doesn't that look good? We're going to eat a little bit of it for supper tonight, and then tomorrow I'll bring y'all back. I'm going to make a ham salad for lunch, so y'all stay tuned. Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. You know, I cooked a ham yesterday. I told y'all we were going to make ham salad. So, here we are. We're going to make us some ham salad. This is the best ham, you all. It is really a good ham. Let me grab a cutting board and a knife. Right here. And I'm going to cut off some of this that doesn't look really good there on the corners. All right. And I'm going to throw it here in this food processor. And y'all know I have to make 2 different kinds. Just like I do my tuna salad. Because we all don't like the same things. So I'm just going to mix up 2 different ones. Cut off some of that fat right there. I don't think we want to eat all that fat. But that would be good fried out and put in some beans. It would. Might do that. I don't know. I'm just chunking this up because, like I said, we're throwing it right here in this food processor. I've been wanting to make a ham salad for, I don't know, a couple months now, and I just never had the ham. If I'd get ham, we'd use it for something else, and it's like I never had enough ham, so when I got it home yesterday, I just cooked it. Decided I'm making me some ham salad. There's so many things you can do with a ham, and ham is relatively inexpensive right now. So if you have to feed a crowd, Mama say, I'll get a ham. Because it was, a cheap cut of meat that was good, and everybody likes ham. And then you have leftovers and have ham sandwiches. Like I said, I'm cutting some of this fat out of it. Comes Mr. Andy. He's been in the shower for, I don't know, the umpteenth time today. Turn my lights on. All right, let's see how far that'll get us. Just pulsing it, okay? All right, there's that chopped up. Y'all just hold on. I've got some eggs over here boiling. And I'll be back in a minute when they get done. Plus, I got to change your battery. Y'all are about to die on me. I'd hate for y'all to die. So y'all just hang. Okay, I'm back. I gave y'all some life support to keep going for a few minutes. My eggs are done. I've got my ham separated into my 2 bowls. And I'm going to show y'all how to peel a boiled egg. Bring y'all down here real close. Move our vegetables. I've already got that chopped up. I want y'all to be able to see this. All right, see my egg? This is the fat end of the egg, the big end. Can't really tell it, but it is. That's the big end. And you want to crack that big end, just like that. And I go in there with just my fingers and get just a little bit of that shell. And you take you a spoon and you go up under the, can y'all see that? You go up under that membrane. Right like this. And you just start going around that egg. You can do this for hard-boiled, soft-boiled, medium-boiled, whatever. Ping-pong boiled, however long you want to do your eggs. There you go. Right like that. Rinse that off. Put it right there. And then you've got a whole shell pretty much. We'll do another one. I've got 4. I'll do 2 of them here with y'all and then. All right, here we go. You go up under that membrane. You just work your way around till you can get it going down in there. Then you just keep going a little bit further each time. Just kind of like a little spiral around through there. Till you get it all the way done, and then it just pops out. Just like that. Just pops right out. That was 3, or 2. This one's 3. Got one more. Whoop, that one just flew out. It did, it just flew out. All right, there's our boiled eggs with the spoon, peeled with a spoon. All right, now then, I'll bring y'all back up so you can see a little bit better over here. I'm going to turn y'all just a little bit. All right, you can see my 2 different things. This one's got more in it. This is what the boys will eat. In mine, I've got some vegetables here. I've got a red pepper, red sweet pepper, whole thing, just because I love it. And about 3 little stalks of celery, because I love celery. Now then, we're going to use this right here to do our eggs too. Put the top back in it. Just like that. There we go. There's our eggs. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? It was, it was. Now I'm going to put most of the eggs in here. Put just a few over there in mine. Or Andy might eat some of this other because he likes the vegetables pretty good, but the mister doesn't. So y'all know I try to please everybody sometimes. Because for the most part, they eat whatever I cook. If I cook up who knows what, they would eat it. Or at least they'd try. All right, now then, I'm going to put some mayonnaise in both of these. A dollop of there, and a dollop right in there. And I'm not measuring this because y'all know when I do stuff like this, I just come in here and just do what I got. All right, and in the boys, I'm going to put some of this sweet pickle relish that we made together. I'm pretty sure I brought y'all along when I made this. Y'all make this however you want it. Put hot peppers in it. Put just, you know, whatever you like in it. All right, I'm going to go in here and stir this one up and see what it looks like and give it a taste. Because I do like it like this too. I believe it's got about enough of everything in it. Doesn't that look good, y'all? All right, let's get us a fork and taste it. Let's flip the straw out into the floor. Y'all, that is good. It doesn't need anything. No salt, no nothing. All right, let me get a spoon and stir that one up. If I can find a spoon. There's one. This one probably will need some salt because it's got those peppers and celery. And it may need just a little more mayonnaise. This is a really good summertime salad. And I've been meaning to make it all summer, but I just, like I said, had not gotten a ham. All right, let's taste this one. It doesn't need anything either. The salt from that ham takes care of everything. Y'all, that is really good. Really good. Look at these 2 ham salads. One with pickles and eggs. That's all that's in this one. It's sweet pickle relish and eggs and mayo. This one is ham, eggs, celery, and red peppers. And I have some little tomatoes that I will add just when I get ready to eat it. Because the tomatoes will make it watery if they have to sit in it. And I doubt very seriously I'm going to eat this whole bowl tonight. So I'll have it for lunch tomorrow or the next day. And I'll just cut me up a few more little tomatoes at that time. Okay? All right, now then, let me show y'all something else. This is something I've not made in a while. And I probably ought to get my ham back out and just go ahead and make up a little more of it. So y'all just hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got some more ham out, chopped up the rest of the ham. I've got this I'll pop in the freezer. We'll have it for later to make ham salad or ham spread or whatever with. And y'all can see I've got out some Velvetta cheese. Turn y'all down just a little bit so you can kind of see, because I know y'all like to see. All right, and I'm going to cut it kind of thin. Pop it right in here. Probably don't need an awful lot. Probably about those 4 pieces right there. I'm going to come in there with just a little bit of mayo. A good heaping tablespoon. That chopped ham, cheese, and mayo. This makes a wonderful cheesy ham spread for crackers or a sandwich. Let's see if it's got enough of everything. A little more mayo, make it just a little creamier. I think that'll be good. I'll just whip it up there. Now then, let's try to taste it again. It's a little creamier now. Y'all see that? That's perfect. That's good too. Like I said, I'll do that. That's really good too. To make a sandwich or eat with crackers, or turn y'all up so you can see me. Eat it with crackers, make a sandwich. Make little hors d'oeuvres around the holidays or for football tailgates or football parties or lots of things. So here we've got, 3, 4, 5 meals out of a ham. And y'all buy a big ham at Christmas. A lot of people do, and they go, we got all this ham left over. Or at Easter, what do we do with all this ham? Here you go. There's 3 different ways to use leftover ham. You can also make ham dumplings. Ham and bean dumplings are so good. And I saved all the broth off of this ham, and I'm going to cook some soup beans with it probably tomorrow. Because that will be so yummy. So there's absolutely none of that ham went to waste. None of it. So hope y'all enjoyed this. I do. I can't wait to go over here and sit down and eat. I'm waiting on hubby to get home from work. And we're going to have this for our supper. It's about a ham that was left on the cutting board. You know what happens if it falls on the cutting board? I get to eat you. So, y'all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.